Hi, good evening. Welcome to Easy Money. I am CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Let us see today what happened in markets. Nifty continued its up move. Another 100 points move on Nifty, and today we saw Nifty closing at 14,825. Also, Sensex saw another day of up move, 250 points. Sensex made an up move, closing at 49,200. However, Bank Nifty was a big underperformer today. In spite of Nifty going up 100 points for the day, Bank Nifty, which is such a big index, is up only 77 points and it closed at 32,904. In fact, today live during market hours in my Twitter handle, I am Rudramurthy, which I have given in the description below, I gave a clear call to sell call options as option sellers and pocket the entire premium. One has to understand, especially Friday, if you are an option seller and if you are selling a weekly option, I underline, if you are selling a weekly option and if it is Friday, you will have lot of time decay, which we call as theta of an option. Many of them think option Greeks means common traders or small people, retail traders cannot understand. But let me tell you, in your Easy Money show, today I am also explaining to you in a simple way what is theta of an option, which many so-called self-proclaimed option kings and queens also cannot understand. And that's the reason why many people say to make money you don't require to understand option Greeks. But let me tell you, it is Greek and Latin only to them, not for you, because you are regularly watching your Easy Money show. So what is theta of an option? It is nothing but measurement tool for time decay. Options are considered as wasting assets. Now, when I say it is a wasting asset, that means both call option and put option, the premiums will keep coming down every day if market remains at the same place. In fact, to make it very simple, I say option premiums are like time bomb. As time keeps ticking, the premium for both call option and put option keeps coming down. In fact, momentum is everything for an option buyer. An option buyer should not only catch the direction, but he should also catch momentum. I want each one of you to get these learnings very clear, and I'm just sharing that to you on your screen. So as an option buyer, so if you want to make money as an option buyer, especially people with small capital, retail traders, you have to keep in mind, it is just not enough if you know the direction. Along with direction, you have to also catch momentum in market. So direction plus momentum is what gives profit to an option buyer. Whereas for an option seller, if you are an option seller, what is very important for an option seller is you have to understand, even though you go wrong on direction, even though you don't catch momentum, still you can make money or you can profit, and you have a higher probability of winning. So you have a higher probability of winning. In fact, close to 80% probability of winning is always with an option seller, but he requires huge capital, he requires margin. So as an option seller, always what comes to your benefit and to your rescue is always theta. Theta is nothing but, as I told you, a tool which measures the speed in which time decay will happen. So do remember, time decay is measured using the concept of theta in option. In fact, in our program Option Trading Made Easy, a 3 full day program, I teach in detail each one of them with live practical examples. But right now for each one of you in Easy Money, let me make the concept simple. theta is a measuring tool of time decay, and both call option and put option, both premiums will keep coming down as time expires and as we go closer to expiry day. And do remember, time decay or theta will always benefit the option seller. So option seller always has towards his benefit theta, whereas for an option buyer, what works against an option buyer is theta. So an option buyer has to escape from time decay or theta. For that, he has to catch momentum. Whereas an option seller, even if he fails in direction, even if he fails in catching momentum, time decay or theta will always help him. Now I'm sure you understood theta is nothing but a tool which helps an option seller. And as time passes, both call option and put option premium will come down. And do remember, on a weekly option, Friday is the day where more theta effect will be there for a weekly option, because Saturday, Sunday markets are closed. And as time decays and you go to next week on Monday, there is 3 days of time period which is getting lapsed. So all option sellers, the punchline in easy money is you have to catch the right day, and when markets are sideways, you will make money. And today, live market call in my Twitter handle, I am Rudramurthy, given in the description below, I mentioned sell index call options. And Friday, time decay or theta was very powerful. Plus, from higher levels, Bank Nifty, which was at 33,200 to 33,300, that is the time when I gave the call on Twitter. From there, Bank Nifty came down 250 points. So intraday, you made benefit of even direction coming down 250 points, plus you made benefit of time decay. Both put together gave you handsome of profits for option sellers who took the live call in my Twitter handle free of cost. Also today, I had discussed about Paraj Industries stock chart today morning in my pre-market report, and stock was up only by 7.41% per day. And there are people who are happy to make this return even monthly, and which was given in easy money just for a day. And the same stock, Paraj Industry, was continuously recommended to all our subscribers of our program and also to our HNI clients, starting from levels of 110 to 115. From there, a non-stop move we have seen in Paraj Industry for levels of even above 250, 260. But still I'm telling, a long way to go in Paraj Industry. And more than that, if you see today's market, also Dabur came out with results and it was definitely below expectation. Profit figure came at 379 crore, whereas expectation was around 440 crore, way below expectation, but management commentary was taken positive. Russia has come out with a single shot COVID-19 vaccine with efficiency and efficacy of 79.4%. And also America is now saying no patent or IP which is required for duplicating the COVID vaccine. However, even though this is a very positive news, the technology transfer takes hell lot of time. Even though patent or this intellectual property right is taken off for COVID vaccine, it is still not easy to replicate. Let me also tell you, today FIIs were net sellers, 1,143 crore of selling, except for yesterday. Continuously last 4 days they have sold, and even today they are net sellers to the extent of 1,143 crore. DIAs have bought today worth 1,468 crore. And today for chart analysis, I'm taking a retail trader stock, and let me put the chart on your screen and let us see how this chart looks. And the chart which I'm taking for today's analysis coming up on your screen on this special easy money show, and that is Yes Bank. I know many of you have positions in Yes Bank, or you might like to take it, and many people think, what I lose, it is only a 14 rupee 15 rupee kind of a stock, currently trading at 13 rupee 35 paisa 40 paisa. So what do I lose? Only 13 rupee. So let us buy Yes Bank. In fact, Rudramurthy was the first person who told in the entire world this statement, say no to Yes Bank. And I told this at 450 rupees, say no to Yes Bank. At 350, say no to Yes Bank. At 200 rupees, say no to Yes Bank. At 100 rupees, say no to Yes Bank. Stock came to 10 rupees, I said no to Yes Bank. And from 10 rupees, stock went to 80 rupees. When there was this announcement of SBI taking stake and few other banks coming to the rescue, and it went to 80 rupees, people thought 10 rupee went up to 80 rupee, and many bought Yes Bank at 60, 70, 80. And even then I told, say no to Yes Bank. You're only seeing the stock price movement from 10 rupee to 80 rupee, but you have never seen the stock price tanking from 450 rupees to that single digit. And see the trend. Any stock before you buy, I want each one of you to first see the trend. Now, if I show you the trend of Yes Bank, which is there on your screen right now, and anyone can say, and in fact, when I say anyone can say, let me just tell you, even a blind person can tell, I'm using the word, even a blind person can tell the trend of Yes Bank. See the trend of Yes Bank, what you are able to see on your screen, and clearly, Yes Bank is on a clear downtrend. See the trend of Yes Bank clearly on the downtrend, and I want you to also see that this stock is easily below even the 20-day moving average, and not only the shorter term trend, the medium term trend, the longer term trend, and the shorter term trend, everything on Yes Bank is definitely negative, and this is a stock one has to avoid. And many a times people think, what will I lose? It is only 13 rupees stock, so there is nothing to lose if I buy Yes Bank. Let me tell you, if someone has 13,000 rupees, he will not buy one share of Yes Bank. He will be buying, in fact, with 13,000 rupees, assuming no brokerage transaction cost and all that, he will be buying with 13,000 rupee 1,000 share of Yes Bank. And if Yes Bank comes from 13 rupee to 0, you will not lose 13 rupees, but you will lose the entire 13,000 rupees. Again, let me tell you a Rudraology statement. Never buy shit and accumulate it because you are getting large quantity at a small price. What I want you to buy is quality at a reasonable price and not quantity of shit. And let me tell you, yes, Yes Bank might go up from, let us say, 13 rupee to 20 rupees. And someone says, Rudra told not to buy Yes Bank. I bought it at 13 rupee, it went to 20 rupee. I made 70% return. But let me tell you, your process is wrong. Even though you made 70% return, in the same mindset and process, you keep buying these type of stocks again and again, and one stock will take you to zero. So even if your process is right and you may lose money in the trade, but eventually you will make money. So having the right process is very, very important. I'm sure in this video, you have seen today's market report. You have seen also chart analysis of Yes Bank, and you have also learned theta or time decay, which is important to option sellers. And I'm sure a lot of content, unlimited value is given to you in this Easy Money show. Do watch it again and again, have book and pen, make lot of notes, spread this financial literacy to as many people as possible, and give your comments down as a feedback and what more you expect from Easy Money, and join hands with me to spread financial literacy by sending this video to as many people as possible. See you all, and with more pre and post market regular reports on weekdays, and on Saturday and Sunday, more special learning will come to you. Have a very fantastic weekend and be a profitable trader. Learn continuously to earn continuously. Thank you. Signing off, Rudramurthy from Easy Money. Take care. Bye-bye.